Hi, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Asia. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Asia has long been a trading hub for speculating on price changes in the Forex market. And with the economic impact of the global coronavirus pandemic, many traders are finding themselves interested in joining the markets. Beginner traders, however, should consider finding themselves a globally regulated, reputable, and a safe broker to trade with. And as such, finding a list of some of the best Forex brokers in Asia and worldwide can be a difficult process, especially when searching for a trustworthy broker who accept and offer their services to local Asian investors. So, in this video, we are going to be going through some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Asia. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have eTorro. eTorro is an online broker which was founded in 2006 and offers CFDs and social trading with a head office based in Cyprus and the UK. eTorro is supervised by the Financial Conduct Authority and the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission. Traders can trade in a wide variety of over 100 instruments, including Forex, stocks, commodities, ETFs, and indices. Featured platforms for accounts are available on the eTorro trading platform and mobile application. eTorro's trading platform is a user-friendly custom trading platform, which is available as a browser-based web application. Their mobile application is supported on Android and iOS operating systems. Featured accounts are available on Demo, Micro, Mini, Standard, STP, and Islamic accounts. eTorro also provides their very own market news and analysis panels, guides in the financial markets, a trading academy which covers a variety of helpful educational trading topics, tutorial videos, a featured podcast, guides to social trading, as well as their own trading school, which includes courses, webinars, and more for you to browse through if you are looking for any additional educational resources with eTorro. At number 4 on our list is IC Markets. IC Markets is an online Forex ECN and CFD broker. Regulated by the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, as well as the Seychelles Financial Services Authority. IC Markets specializes and offers services in trading across Forex, commodities, indices, bonds, cryptocurrencies, stocks, and futures. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and CTrader, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature Demo, Raw Spread, and Standard accounts with lower starting deposits, lower spreads, up to 64 tradable currency pairs, Demo accounts, swap-free accounts, and more. IC Markets also provides their very own educational panels, which delve into beginner's guides to getting started with trading, a range of articles and written educational content, which covers trading lessons, analysis and news, as well as a variety of educational videos and webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with IC Markets. Coming in at number 3, we have XM. XM is a globally regulated financial broker that operates with clients from over 196 countries and offers support in over 30 different languages. Their main branch is located in Cyprus and is fully regulated by the CYSEC. XM specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, commodities, indices, metals, energies, and shares. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature micro, standard, XM Ultra Low, and shares accounts that come equipped with negative balance protection, lower leverage, and a variety of tradable base currency options. XM also provides their very own educational resource center, which delves into various trading educational videos, a daily live streaming and podcast service, as well as free webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking for a more personal, in-depth educational experience. At number 2 on our list is IQ Option. IQ Option, a broker developed under the IQ Option Europe company, was founded in 2013, contains a CYSEC license with permission to provide its financial services within the European Economic Area Zone, with several other licenses from other EU local jurisdictions. IQ Option specializes and offers services in binary options, stocks, shares, currencies, and ETF trading. Featured platform is available on IQ Option's Ultimate Investment Platform, which is supported on iOS, Windows, and Android operating systems. Accounts are available on demo, standard and VIP accounts with lower minimum deposits, over 90 different types of underlying assets, 24/7 customer support services, access to their free mobile application, and more. IQ Option also allows traders to take part in their monthly online trading tournaments, which is an added bonus if you are feeling competitive. IQ Option also provides their very own educational learning center, which delves into a variety of trading tutorial videos, news, analytics, their very own trading blog and research center, and more, if you are looking to expand your education with IQ Option. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Asia, we have FXTM. FXTM is an online, fully regulated financial broker. Founded in 2011, FXTM primarily remains a MetaTrader-only broker and offers 7 account types that provide traders with access to up to 59 currency pairs as well as CFDs on 173 single stock shares. FXTM provides services and specializes in trading through Forex, precious metals, CFDs, commodities, CFD indices, and cryptocurrencies. Available accounts are featured on Standard, Cent, CFD, Stocks, ECN0, ECN, and FXTM Pro accounts with swap-free options, a variety of base currency options, instant executions, and more. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the FXTM Trader application, which is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FXTM also provides their very own learning center, which covers a video learning library, seminars, webinars, trading articles, a variety of helpful ebooks, great customer support, and more if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with FXTM. And those are some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Asia on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next. And let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and good luck with all your trading activities.